Picture this. You roll out of bed to discover a robot snagged your gig. Feels like a scene from a sci-fi saga, doesn't it? Well, fasten your seatbelts because AI is zooming into our lives faster than you can say automation. Goldman Sachs just dropped a whopper predicting AI might nudge aside a whopping 300 million jobs by 2030. But before you start fretting, it's not all about our robot overlords taking over. We're talking about a future brimming with fresh opportunities and a productivity boost that's off the charts. By the end of this video, you're not just going to see how AI is rewriting the rulebook. You'll be ready to team up with AI and soar in your career. All right, let's jump right into the thick of it. You've probably heard all the buzz around AI, how it's set to flip the job market on its head. Well, Goldman Sachs dropped a report, and it's a real page-turner. Picture this. AI's gearing up to give a hefty nudge to jobs worldwide, hinting at a future where robots could be clocking in for a good chunk of our gigs. Now, before you start picturing a world where robots rule the roost, there's a silver lining. The same report's betting on AI to turbocharge our productivity and beef up the global economy by a sweet 7%. So, it's not all about job losses. It's also about setting the stage for a smarter, richer world. How cool is that? Let's dive into which jobs are getting the side-eye from AI. Picture this. Customer service reps and receptionists are at the top of AI's playlist. Why? Because handling those "did you restart it" calls or greeting visitors doesn't always need a human touch anymore. Yep, AI is stepping into roles where the tasks are as repeatable as the chorus in a pop song. But hey, it's not the end of the road. As we journey through this AI landscape, we'll uncover not just the roles waving us goodbye, but also the exciting new opportunities beckoning. Stay tuned! Pivoting from the high-tech horizon, let's zero in on the flip side of this digital revolution, the most vulnerable jobs. You know, those roles that AI might just be eyeing for a takeover. Think about the friendly customer service rep or the diligent receptionist, positions where tasks are predictably repetitive. AI stepping in, ready to handle these with a digital finesse that's both fascinating and a tad unnerving. But fear not, this isn't a doom and gloom scenario. It's a wake-up call to adapt and thrive. As we venture deeper, remember, every end is a new beginning. With AI reshaping the workplace, now's the moment to gear up for the shift. Are you ready to transform challenge into opportunity? Let's explore how we can all emerge stronger in this new digital dawn. Let's peek into the future where AI is the new star employee in accounting, warehousing, and retail. Imagine AI sorting finances with unmatched precision, orchestrating warehouses like a seasoned conductor, and personalizing your shopping experience better than any human assistant. The twist? As AI steps up its game, humans are leveling up their skills. We're learning to dance with robots, not step on each other's toes. It's about evolving together, ensuring humans and AI can harmonize beautifully in the workplace symphony. How do we surf the AI wave gracefully? By pivoting our careers with purpose and agility. It's about identifying the skills that AI can't replicate and making them your superpowers. Whether you're diving into tech, steering through marketing, or leading the next big project, the key is to blend your unique human skills with an understanding of AI. It's not just about keeping up, it's about standing out. Together, let's craft career paths that are as resilient as they are brilliant. Fast forward to a not-so-distant future where AI is not just part of the workforce, it's reshaping entire industries. From insurance underwriting to the hustle and bustle of logistics, AI's making its presence felt. But what does this mean for us mortals? It's a call to embrace change, to rethink not just how we work, but the very essence of our roles. This shift is more than technological, it's societal, touching every aspect of how we live and work. And in this evolving landscape, being adaptable is the name of the game. Ready to future-proof your career against the AI tide? It's time to double down on both technical know-how and those invaluable soft skills. Think of it as your career toolkit for the AI age. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and a knack for lifelong learning are your best bets for staying relevant. And remember, in an AI-driven world, versatility is your superpower. So, whether you're coding the next AI sensation or leading a team that does, it's all about embracing the change, staying curious, and always learning. All right, team, that's a wrap on our AI journey. Feeling buzzed with thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. Let's chat about this wild ride into AI's future. And if this adventure sparked your curiosity, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our crew of explorers. We've got heaps more to discover together. Can't wait to see your insights below. Thanks for watching.